Introduce features highlight or overview summary about YITAHOME 43-inch propane fire pit table. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. YITAHOME gas fire table are ideal for creating an alfresco lounge space, an extension of your home where you can relax and hold a party. It not only creates a focal point for your space, but also adds warm ambience to your outdoor gatherings and drives mosquitoes away. 50,000 BTU output provides stable and sufficient heat. This propane fire pit concomitant use with a 20-pound propane tank which can provide heat around your space entertaining. When life gives you snow, make us fire. Take the lid off to be a fire pit which provides soothing warmth and gentle lighting for chilly nights, while put it on to become an outdoor coffee table that enough for holding drinks, food, and snacks for your party. It'll be a focal point for your outdoor space, such as backyard, patio, pool, and look fantastic when matched with YITAHOME outdoor furniture set. Made of powder-coated iron, 43-inch outdoor fire pit is heat-resistant and easy maintenance. The included lava rocks provide a barrier to trap heat and protect the fire pit from hot spots and cracking. Hidden tank storage with a fixture makes the propane tank fixed securely. Safety comes first. Our fire pit is rigorously tested and CSA certified, meeting all applicable US standards to ensure safe operation. The powerful ignition system gives a good spark and the outside knob helps you adjust the fire level easily. Little maintenance is required except for the battery replacement. AAA battery is required. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.